I did this hair just today. And do you like my outfit? Well, this is my outfit. It's blue. You can't see the rest because I want you to see my face in this video. And do you want to meet my sister? Say hello, Nini. Hello. She's so cute. Just wanna will. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's morning. I'm just doing my hair. You can't see me. I have a blue dress today. And I said blue is my favorite color. And I can't look at you because my mom says we could do like this.
We are cutting Ate Paris's bangs. Para the same na sila ni Baby Salil. Kasi alam niyo ba guys, yung ginawa niya last time, kinat niya yung gilid dito. So hindi pantay. So see? Hanap? First time ko tong ikat guys by myself. Look up like that. Up like proper. Look up. Oh my god. Natatakot din ako eh. Ayan lang.
Okay, just do it. It's okay. I'm scared you're gonna come.
No!
Wait, don't do it too wide. Don't get those too wide. Oh my god. Why can't I not see? I can't.
Just wait a minute. Okay, so look at now, it's finished. Look.
Is that?
I can't see.
Huh? No, that's your final look. You like it?
I can't see.
You like it?
I do like it, but I can't see.
That's your new hairstyle now for 2024.
No.
No, it's
Okay, we'll fix it.
$4.99
It's not finished yet.
for the 81. Yep.
Now?
A few moments later.
Introducing the new version of Paris Nicole.
Yeah. Because yeah, what I think, just having a look here.
Whoa. What do you think?
Nice.
Do you like it?
I see
Yeah.
Turn
some-
around.
when
Like this,
did-
just on the
when
side?
did your- when
Wow,
did your
look at this.
husband's PayPal first get
Sabi?
compromised?
So, kinat ko yung dito sa gilid, guys. Para, maano siya. Pa siyang, ano ba? Bangs. Curtain bangs, ganun. What do you think, honey?
Yeah.
Lenny, Lenny, what do you think of Ate's bangs? I actually have to do Lenny's as well. Tingnan yung mahaba na. But, do you like it, Ate?
Yeah?
Alam niyo ba, guys? Fun fact. this is the very first time na ako yung nagputol ng buhok ni Ate Paris. Kasi never ko yung tinouch.
First time having it long.
It's like 5
Oh,
years.
this one. I want
Nearly
this
6 years
one.
old. Hang on.
Mommy. Mommy, I want my hair, Mimi.
Let me just.
Or if we put
check
that
something.
away,
Yeah, do you know
this
if your
away,
husband uses a VPN
also
at all
fine.
on the computer?
I like it like this one.
Do you
Yeah.
know if he uses what we call like what's called a VPN on his
Wait,
computer?
can you put it back?
What is it, Laming?
A
What do you want to do?
VPN is
Yours,
essentially-
yours needs cutting
I
as
guess
well.
it,
Oh,
it allows you
on your
to
hair.
put yourself in different locations around the world.
The
some of
ladies
these
is long.
VPNs,
I have to cut hers.
like like
Beautiful.
I'm gonna have my hair.
Oh my
yeah, like
God. So, hindi pa ito nakita ni Daddy Mike kasi Daddy Mike has been working. So, see kung ano yung reaction ni Daddy Mike lang. What do you think? Do you think Daddy will like it?
Yeah.
What do you want? This one down? Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want this down?
Yeah.
yeah.
Diba? So, hindi
Yeah,
siya,
no.
meron
Like,
siyang
it's generally-
longer dito, ganyan.
It's generally.
Pero hindi siya yung
they're
straight
always
lang
asked
na-
that. Do you know where
Do
he
you want
watches,
to
like,
see
do you
my
know which
ring?
country he watches the football? Out of curiosity.
It's my earring, but I'm pretending it's my ring.
I really like it. Look on the side lang, babe. Look on the side. Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's
It's like
Atis.
he's stream-
It's
yeah, he's
Atis.
streaming it. I don't know if that's.
I like it.
I don't know if
It's
that's-
shabby.
I don't know.
A shabby. Did you eat the shabby reading?
Yeah.
I really like it on you, Ate.
So,
Looks
look,
actually real cute. What do you
what I
think,
think
guys?
has happened.
Lily,
is
what do you think
and
of
it's-
Ate's hair?
It's so much information.
Do, 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 do.
Now look
Dada.
at this. I think for sure, on the
So I kind
computer,
of
probably
want
more so the
my
computer.
Lolas.
And again, where
Baba.
this stems from, I don't know, but I would say there's
I'm so
it's a
happy I
very
got
high likelihood
bangs.
that on the computer, there's on the computer, and what that malware does is it allows, it's called a keystroke identifier. So basically anything you're typing into the computer, someone essentially who creates that virus, they can also create
Look,
outcomes,
guys.
but the other
Kinat ko rin
two
yung
ones,
bangs ni Lini. Kasi kanina tumutusok na sa mata niya. Silang dalawa ay may bangs na. Tingnan niyo sila. Oh my God, super cute. Super, super cute.
And I want to show you
Thank you very much for
something.
your time.
I draw this.
Wait, careful, anak ko.
Well, it's not, that's fine, you don't need to.
It says subscribe to get $2.
No,
subscribe,
worries.
don't forget
Tap
to get
to
the bell.
subscribe.
I
So
don't
you
do
just
anything.
tap
That's
that.
okay. So,
And then you
just
get
bring that
$2.
report and you get back to us.
Guys, alam niyo ba hanggang ngayon, Daddy Mike hasn't seen the bangs yet. Kasi nasa ano siya. Okay na.
Clap, do it, mommy, do it. Do it. Do it, mama. Tell Daddy.
Daddy,
Mommy.
look at Paris.
Paris, look at- Wow!
Hi guys, do you like my new hairstyle? We're going to the shop now. I'm going to put my seatbelt on first. Mama, can you hold this on so I can talk to you now? And we're gonna be driving now. And I did this hair just today. And do you like my outfit? Well, this is my outfit. It's blue. You can't see the rest because I want you to see my face in this video. And do you want to meet my sister? Say hello, Nini. Hello. She's so cute. And also, it's very good that she can talk now. She's only 2 years old now, so she can talk.
Yes, Daddy.
And that is so good. The thing that's not good that she can't understand us. And she'll just keep saying no, 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 whatever I try to get. And we're driving now. Whee!
Just gonna go grab
We're going back. We're coming back because I forgot something.
What case?
It's so dark in here. That's why I can't see me. You can see my finger.
Just get the crown.
It's so hot. It's not that hot today. That is hot. Whoa, that is so dark. Let me just put this a little wider so you can see me better. Okay, this is better. Now you can see me. Let me just try to put all that. So now you can see me better. You can see my phone. You can see. And you can see me red. Which is so funny.
A few moments later.
What are you getting? Show me. What is it?
Clay.
Clay. Andito kami sa loob ng $2 shop. Okay, itong isa ay naghahanap ng...
I got this.
Ay, may pera siya, may pera. Ben, tingnan natin. We'll see if kasya ang pera mo, anak. You need $9.
$10. What's this much?
That's $1.
And I got $20.
No, it's 20, that's 20 cents. Uy,
And I have
you only have $6.30. Ito ay very sleepy na rin. That's a hook, honey. Will you sit in the kitchen? Yung chicken, guys. Yung mga buto-buto ng chicken sa 99 cents each. Tapos, bumili din ako ng isang kilong chicken spare ribs. Yan. For crispy fry. Itong dalawa ay very lucky. Kasi merong nakaano dyan, guys. Oh, yung favorite ko na donut. Pinaghati ko lang sila kasi ang laki-laki. Yummy? Ang galing-galing na talaga nilinis sa kanyang scooter. Ouchie! Anak! Linis Ouchie daw, anak. Help her. Si ate din. Oh, bangs.
snowman.
Oh, help daw, Lini, anak. Ate is coming. You okay? Kadali. Good, Dalian, ayo. You okay na, Lini? Oh. Help me, Ate. Help me again.
Want me to push you?
Oh, careful with that one now. We're gonna go up soon now, huh? We're gonna cook dinner.
Okay, let's go hospital.
We're home, guys. Ang oras na. 3:35 ng hapon. Share quickly yung mga napamili natin. So this is actually our first grocery of the year.
You go sit down and share.
Ayan. Sinabi ko na sa inyo kanina, bumili tayo ng chicken. Chicken burns and spare ribs. Itong spare ribs ay hatiin natin to into 2 para hindi masayang. Kasi hindi man yan siya lulutuin na diretso. Sharing, ha?
Yes?
I've got some watermelon. Magkat ako niyan ngayon. Brain ribs. Spare ribs. I was thinking about cooking this one in tocino. Meron akong tocino mix.
Bob, feel this.
What's that?
Mom, where's the scissors? Where's the scissors?
This is the clay that they buy at the bottom.
Which one?
This is the clay set.
Where's the scissors though?
Why does it feel like it's going to not?
Careful with the scissors, please.
Sticky. Sticky.
Huh?
Sticky.
Put that away now. Sticky balls.
Yeah.
Bumili ako ng lighter,
Sticky.
Stickies.
fabric conditioner, tissue, spinach and herb wraps, tomatoes, eggplant kasi gusto kong magluto ng sinigang. Wala akong nakita ng radish doon, so bahala na si Batman. Soup buns, beef, strawberries, mango, ham, water. Ayun. Ito. Itong handy hooks. Gusto kong ilagay dyan kasi pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung saan ko siya gusto mong gamitin. Yung hook. Tapos yung mga kids, bumili ng clay. Where's Tini? Look at my tocino. Pork tocino, guys. Ayan. Sobrang sarap. Na-try ko na. So then, ay, nag-work pa rin. But I'm gonna dish it out now para makakain na ang lahat. And also, pakita ko sa inyo. Yun kanina, sabi ko na ganyan. Oo. Yung hook, dyan ko nilagay. Para may paglagyan nito kasi dito ko yan nilagay sa taas. At least, nandiyan yan siya. Nakikita palagi. O, diba?
Sing twinkle twinkle.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how wide away you are. One friend away. What has died?
Yeah.
Good girl.
Good girl, Leni.
You're a clever girl.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how you wide to star.
Oh, that's very lovely.
It's another star.
Leni.
Yeah.
Leni. 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 Nanan sick.
Nana's sick. Nana's cough.
You see, doctor?
No. Yeah, Nana's going to the doctor on Friday again.
Nan go to the doctor, Leni?
Yes?
Go doctor? Why go to the doctor? Sick.
Nanny go doctor?
Yeah.
Nanny's going to the doctor again.
Sick.
Stop at Pa.
See what?
Ah. Let's
Sick.
pop her in the background.
Who's sick?
Sick.
Nanny's sick.
So what? Open
Ah.
Yeah.
She's saying open your mouth. Ah.
Oh, ah.
Isa iyo, mamay.
Is this sick?
Isa iyo, mamay.
Is this sick? This is sick.
Nanansik, yeah.
Nana's sick. Yes, yes.
Yes. Chris, no, Nini.
No.
I love you, Nana.
Oh.
But no, Nini. No.
Is he?
I'm happy.
Here's.
Happy.
Hold on, then I'll put Paris back on.
Happy.
Yeah, okay, sweetheart.
Hi.
Hello, Paris.
Hey, you don't mind.
No, you go away.
You mermaid.
No, you're mermaid.
You the mermaid. You doggy. You mermaid.
Aww.